Hey guys, what's happening? How to trade with leverage on Kraken. So the number you see next to the trading pair, like USDT, USD, Ethereum, USD, Bitcoin, USD, you're gonna see a number next to it, which is 5x, 2x, 3x. Those are leverage, right? This is like the 5x, the 3x. Those are the amount of leverage that you can take on the market, right? So basically, Kraken will give you that leverage on that trading pair in order to basically profit off of it, right? But please be aware that this is a borrowing process. Like, you borrow money from Kraken and they just give you that money and you can trade with it easily, right? So you can trade with Bitcoin, USD with 5x leverage, right? So basically, they will give you 5x leverage if you can profit off of it. But if you can, you will basically, Kraken will warn you that your your funds are being liquidated, right? Or your basically your funds are going to tank. So please be aware that this is a very risky move, and please do not do that unless you're aware of the market and the volatility of it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the Bitcoin or BTC USD, for example, right? And if you study the market and did your own research and want to trade now, what you're gonna do, just go ahead and select buy or sell that coin. In my case, let's say buy. And next to the limit, you're gonna see spot. And spot means simply buying and holding for as long as possible, right? As long as possible. And you can hold that as an asset, right? And so if the market tanks, you're gonna see, the market tank on your funds. But if the market goes up and you bought that Bitcoin to actually hold it, you're gonna be able to sell it on a higher price, right? So you can click right here the spot, right? And instead of spot, we're gonna select margin, and margin allows us basically to leverage the 5x trade, right? So we borrow money and we leverage that on the market, and if we can profit off of it, that's great. If not, which is possible, you will be notified by Kraken that your funds are being tanked, basically. So this video is not financial advice. Always trade with caution and do your own research before making any financial decisions. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.